Good morning, class 8 students. Welcome back to Max Online Classroom. Now, today we will be discussing the same chapter which you have learned, that is Introduction to Graphs. And the main topic is linear graphs and location of a point. That is very important, which you will have to learn till class 10. So, now this is how you locate a point. Now you know how to draw bar graph, histogram and all, so you don't need to explain much about the axis. The vertical axis is called y-axis. The horizontal axis is known as x-axis. And the point where y-axis and x-axis meet is known as origin. Now you can see a point here, and the point is indicated by two numbers written in a symbol bracket. Okay, two numbers written in a symbol bracket, and the two numbers will be separated by a comma. Okay, the first number is the distance along x-axis. You can see here 3. So we have moved along x-axis 3 units. 1, 2, 3. That is the first number. The first number tells how many units to move to the right. Now we'll see about the second number. What is the second number? Second number is the number of units you move up, or that is the distance how long you move along y-axis. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is y-axis, isn't it? So the first number tells how many units to move to the right, that means along x-axis, and the second number tells how many units to move up or along y-axis. Students, don't interchange the numbers. If it is along x-axis, you will write it first, and if it's along y-axis, you will write it second. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. This is how you represent the coordinates of a point. The coordinates of a point. The first number indicates the x coordinate, and the second number indicates the y coordinate. Now let's see the plotting of the point. Plot the point 4, 3 on a graph. Students, I told you the first number indicates the distance you move towards right. So we will count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you reached here. Now you have to go the second number times. The second number here is 3. So we'll move 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So this is your point 4, 3. In the previous slide, I told you not to interchange the numbers if you are given 4, 3. I'll tell you why. Here my point is 4, 3, and by mistake if I draw 3, 4, what will happen? Will it be the same? No. Here the first number is 3, so we have to move 3 units. 1, 2, 3. We'll reach only here, and the second number there is 4. 1, so we'll move 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the coordinate point 3, 4 and 4, 3 are entirely different. So the order of the points inside the bracket is very, very important. Hope you understood how to plot a given point on the graph. So from today you will be needing your graph notebook. Okay. Next, plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. Now what is a linear graph? That was your topic's name. Linear graph is a special type of line graph which represents a straight line. Let's see the first question. Here you have 4 points A, B, C, D. Students, these are the name of the point. The first point is 4, 0 and the name of the point is A. Let's see. See, we have plotted y-axis, x-axis. Now 4, 0. 4. First you have to move 4 points to the right and 0. So you don't need to go up. So this is your point A, 4, 0. Now what is B? 4, 2. Again, we are going 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 units to up. 1, 2. So B. Now what about for C? 4, 6. 4, 6. First move 4 units to the right. 6 units to the upwards. Okay, 4, 6. Now D is 4, 2.5. First move 4 units to the right, 2.5 units up. 1, 2 and 2.5 is the midpoint of 2 and 3. Now you can see if you draw a line joining ABCD, it's a straight line. It is not zigzag or increasing or decreasing. It is a straight line. Such graphs are known as linear graph. Such graphs are known as linear graph. Now let's see the point B or the question B. Now P 1, 1. Now 1 unit to the right, 1 unit upwards. So this is P 1, 1. Next Q 2, 2. 2 units to the right, 2 units up. Now that is Q 2, 2. Students, I am telling you, don't use your pen in the graph sheet. Use only sharpened pencils. Now R 3, 3. 3 units to the right, 3 units upwards. Similarly, we have plotted 4, 4 S. Name is S. Now if you join the points, you can see it is a straight line without any twist. So that is also known as a linear graph. Now let's see the C question. Now what happened? We have plotted all the points K as 2, 3, L 6, 3, M 5, 5, N 2, 5. Is this lying in a straight line? No, it's not lying in a straight line. So it is not a linear graph. It is a line graph, but it is not a linear graph. Hope you understood how to plot the points on a graph sheet. Now let's move on to the next question. Draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Don't misunderstand. They are entirely different points. Now here is 2, 3 and 3, 2. Now we have drawn a straight line. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets x-axis and y-axis. When you draw the line, only this much will be there. So using your scale and pencil, what you should do is extend it till you reach y and here extend it till you reach x. So you will get the point here as 0, 5. Why 0, 5? Here you are not going towards right, only going towards up, isn't it? So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. Here you are not going upwards, you are going only to the right. So the coordinate is 5, 0. This 0 is compulsory to write. Don't write C5. That is a wrong usage. If you want to write the coordinates of a point, it is compulsory to write 2 numbers inside the bracket separated by a comma. So here the coordinate is 5, 0. So if a point is on y-axis, the point will have 0 in x place, and if the point is on x-axis, the y coordinate will be 0. that is a must point to be noted. When the point is on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0, and if the point is on x-axis, the y coordinate will be 0. Okay children? Next question. Here we are going to find the coordinates. Okay. First, here the first figure is 0 A B C. 0 is 0, 0 A. How will you write the coordinates of A? 2 units to the right and 0 units upwards. So 2, 0. Now B. B, 2 units to the right, 3 units upwards. So 2, 3. Now C. Are you going to write? No. So only upwards. 0, 3. Now next PQRS. Here P. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to the right, 3 units upwards. So 4, 3. Now Q. How many units to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right and 1 unit upwards. So the point is 6, 1. Similarly, you will get R and S, and here KLM, triangle KLM. This is, you can see this is a rectangle, this is a parallelogram, and this is a triangle. Okay children? So here you can see two sides are equal, and here two sides are equal but they are parallel. Here you have triangle. Hope you understood how to plot a point on a graph sheet and how to find the coordinates of a point given on the graph sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.